how's it going? All right, today we're going to go over how to draw mistletoe. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. It's Christmas time, so we're going to be drawing a lot of that. What I want you to do right now is I want you to subscribe if you like Christmas how-to drawings. Also, if you like Halloween drawings, because it's a seasonal channel, mostly about Halloween, but if you subscribe now, next year, you're just going to start seeing these cool tutorials pop up on your feed, during that appropriate time. Halloween, you'll see, oh, cool, Halloween videos pop up. And Christmas, same thing. So it's really cool. It's really for yourself for next year. And it helps the channel out as well here. Okay, let's get started. Ow, my finger hurt. Okay, ready? Let's get started here. It's only 6 minutes, by the way, so we're going to go through this pretty quick. Circle. Right? Because it's kind of like these berries thing. I think it was like berries with plants. Another kind of circle, but obviously one behind the other. Another one here. So you got like these three, these three things, right? They're all interconnected here. And basically it's essentially like three balls, all right? It's like easy, it's chill. And we're going to pull a line out over here. Going to go over here on this side. Finding the plant portion of it. It's basically like a leaf. It's going to curve out, curve out. Curve out here. Curve out here. Curve over here. Curve over here. And curve over here and here. All right, we have that little portion of the plant out there. We're going to do the exact same thing over here, like a line in the middle. Pull over here, pull over here, pull over here, pull over here, here. Go on this side, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. So a lot of like inward curve, really, and that's kind of like a big chunk of kind of what this is. Pulling down over here, another straight line. And on this side, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. A little bit of overlapping over here with this plant. So one thing is I'm going to draw as well is there's a highlight on the berries portion over here. So curve, I'm going to actually draw a curved line on the inside, circle, and another line kind of going, but not all the way. Same thing over here, curve, curve around the corner, line over here. And there you go. That's pretty much it as far as the drawing goes. Oh, I forgot about something. I'm sorry. I'm going to draw a thick line around the outside border of all of this. And the reason I'm doing that is I want it to look sticker-fied, like it's a sticker of some kind. And I think it makes it look like a pretty cool design when you do that, when you draw this thick outer line. Like there, and then continue over here on the outside, thick outer line. All right, cool. So now let's get into the quick colors. Nothing too fancy, nothing too wild. I'm going to grab a Prismacolor marker over here, and I'm going to go in here and just start coloring it up. All we need is green and red as far as, yeah, green and red. Sometimes I'll do this, and it'll surprise me what other color I need. You can use crayon, colored pencil, anything. I'm just going to use marker because I think it's faster. I like the Prismacolor because it doesn't smear. The Crayola brand markers will smear it, definitely. I've already tried it. It like really smears it. If it like, let's say, see like how it touched right here in color, right? If it touches there, in with a Crayola marker, like with this brand over here, it would have smeared that black ink right there. I use the black for only. I use the Crayola for only the black, but with this doesn't smear it, and it's just because it's like better marker straight up. And the reason I use this because I use the black so much, and it's easy to handle. They do have this really gross smell to it, so I would do this next to like an open window, stay in a ventilated area. I heard this is like really bad for your brain or something. I don't know. I heard bad things about the smell from these markers, from all kinds of markers, right? Sharpies as well. So I hear horrible things about it. So do it with like a window open or a fan on or something like that, and you'll be fine. It'll be easy. But I wouldn't be like huffing this stuff like in your face, like in a closed area. Right on. Cool. Got that. And let's go over here with the red. Same thing. And just color it flat, you know, if you're doing the marker thing, try to make it all the same tone, like moist. Just go down on it as quickly as you can, you know? Or as decisively as you can, right? So there's a decisive red, right? Boom. That is a decisive red. Go over here. Same thing. Over here, same exact thing. More kind of just keep it decisive. And that is it, okay? Completely it. Entire thing from beginning to end, mistletoe. You can draw these all over the place. They're fun to do, by the way. I think it's great to have this stuff out here. Just having these lessons out here, I think it's a great service. So I really do feel happy. Hit the like if you enjoyed that, if that was easy enough for you to follow. Should be super easy. And also, if you press like, helps the channel out as far as the algorithm goes. It's Christmas time, and I want you to do one more thing. Share the video if you can. It's the holiday season. That's your gift to me. Share it. Share the video anywhere, and it helps the channel out to grow. And thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I post about 3 times a day in December here right now. After that, I'll probably be posting a little less, maybe 1 video a day. But that's it. Talk to you soon. Say hi to me in the comments. And don't forget to check out my full lessons on Skillshare. And yeah, talk to you soon. Oh yeah, say hi to me in the comments. I didn't say that. Later.